check out the Nature Museum in Ottawa. So, excited. So I think it's maybe like a castle or something that was redone. I don't know. What is that? Ooh la la. There's a mammoth out there. Next to So this museum is open for free on Thursdays, and apparently some of the other ones are too. We don't really know. Ooh yeah. You can find your future in the ice. Oh. Is that actual ice?
Yeah.
Oh, it's cold. In case you ever wanted to learn a new language. Okay. Do you think that this chick is animated or real?
So you can see why it's important to know how and how
look, her
quickly
face next to
Arctic
mine.
plant life is changing. To detect these changes, we need to keep an
Pretty sure
excellent
she's animated.
record year after year. Creating this record can be challenging in the Arctic, where it's difficult to travel.
Look at the little one, you're so cute. By the way, I've never seen that before in my whole life, and I live in Canada. So apparently that's just like super, super north, like Arctic style. Ooh, I think this one fell out of the ugly tree. So apparently these are the Arctic penguins that are not penguins, so don't get that confused. They're called mer. Look, it's aquarium style. That looks like, what is that? Apparently, that's something on here. Do you think these guys are super best friends? Or, yeah, I'm gonna go with super best friends. Oh, you're so cute. So sweet. He's looking for a Coca-Cola. I just wanted to give you something for your nightmares. You know, had to mix things up. So apparently camels used to live in the Arctic. This was found there. They look like that.
Oh, they're looking at the decals.
Oh. Wow. Dinosaurs. And then less dinosaurs. Oh look, the turtles are still there. Is that when turtles came in? Huh. Okay, so this is showing the ice come and go. Whoops. Throughout the years. So it's been coming and going this whole time. Okay, actually it's like getting closer to where we are now, and it's like all the old ice is gone. It's really scary actually. I'm afraid. Okay, going out of the Arctic and into the forest, I guess. I think. Look at that, they've got a display of cockroaches. I have actually not seen a cockroach in Canada. Oh no, that's a lie, I have once. I've never seen that though. These are interesting. It says African. Okay, so this is not in Canada. Alright. Yeah, I was under the impression that this was like a Canadian museum, but it clearly says Nature Museum, so I don't know what I was thinking. This is really cool actually. Honeybees. Think we can find the queen? I have no idea how to tell. Alright, let's see if we can find it. Do you see it? I spy with my little eye a stick bug. Actually, there's like 5. Right there. And right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. Oh my god, how hard would you scream if that landed on you? Good lord. How many birds do you weigh? This seems dangerous. Alright. I weigh 68 blue jays, 9 turkeys, 52 mallards, and oh my gosh, 20,000 hummingbirds. I gotta go on a diet. I gotta lose some hummingbirds. I do. So this one is the Canadian loonie. I mean the Canadian loon, obviously. And this is on the Canadian loonie. $1. This says Nature Museum, but it's actually a taxidermy museum, I think. Found the goose. Canadian goose. Oh my gosh, look at these cute little owls. They're so cute. They're like the size of this goose's head. So cute. I found Aragon. So there's an aquarium part. And I mean, I know I've been to a lot of aquariums, but look at that! What is this thing?
It's a whale.
19-meter whale, 6 years old. What, female? Not even.
Full size is 33 meters.
Woo! Okay, pop quiz. How many oceans are on Earth? I'm gonna give you 5 seconds, okay? How many? How many did you come up with? The answer is 5 oceans. So we have Arctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Indian Ocean. So, I mean, where does it tell though? Where's the difference between them? So we just finished up and it's dark in there, and we just spent like what, 3 hours?
2 hours.
2 hours, so much time. And it's so good for kids. If you have kids,